Hello everyone. So today I'll be presenting our project of the SPC subject, that is implementation, and that is we have created an alarm using MIT App Inventor, which also has the timer feature. So the application starts with an alarm screen which is on screen 1. We also have a time displays the current system time using a clock element. There's also a third party element is initialized to give alarm request, and new toast is initialized to give the toast message. We also have a text box, that is message, which inputs the text shown when the alarm will ring. The set time picker picks the time set for the system alarm. If the time selected is earlier than the system time, it sets the alarm for the next day. The set alarm button gives a message toast stating that the alarm is set, and starts an alarm activity to set an alarm for the given time with a given message.
Hello, I'm Parthan and I will be explaining the code for MIT application. We start by initializing two global variables, hours and minutes, for the system. At the start of the screen, we set the value of the time label as the system time until a clock time is set for the alarm. On the alarm button, to set the alarm, we have a if statement to check if the alarm time is set as the current system time or is it set before the current system time, to check if the alarm is to be set for today or tomorrow. We then have a block at the end of the code to update the label to the alarm time. The set alarm button will then set a timer activity by using a third party application at the hours and minutes that we selected using the global variables. The C alarm button directly calls all of the system alarms that have been set on the system using the different alarm system. And finally, the timer button, button 1, will bring you to screen 2 to then access the timer of the application.
The global variable for seconds and minutes of the timer are displayed as labels. A clock element is set up that constantly ticks on each second of the system clocks. When starter timer is pressed, the button text turns to pause timer and global boolean state is turned on. The global boolean state is set up at the start of the app. When state is set to true, on each clock tick the seconds count down, and when they hit 0, state is turned to false, and a generic alarm sound is played using the sound element. While state is true, that is the timer is ticking, the increment button to set the time stop functioning to avoid tampering with the working timer. The stop button stops the sound element. The alarm button on the bottom right of the app takes us back to the alarm screen, that alarm screen 1.
Hello, I'm Shashwat Shah and now I'll be demonstrating the app that we have built using MIT Inventor. So as you can see, this is the screen and this is how it will look. Over here there is the alarm mode and this is the message mode. So when you will write a message and when you will set a alarm, the message, let's say I'm setting the alarm for 1 minute and I've entered the message, let's say book read. So I have set it for 2:16 and the alarm has been set for 1 minute. So as you see that now when it will be 2:16, the alarm will ring and the message will be displayed on its own. Here you can see the alarm is ringing and the message is displayed. Similarly, there is an option to set a timer as well. You can just switch to it and set it up.